We craned the modules in on the first week of April, and we're currently on programme for practical completion on the 5th of August. Once we completed the installation of the 24 factory-built modules, we completed the steelwork for the double-height entrance lobby and then commenced with the interior fit-out, external cladding and associated groundworks. One of the key features for this building is the double-height entrance lobby, which has an exposed CLT ceiling, porcelain ceramic tile floor and glass balcony running all the way around it. Another key feature is the timber brise-soleil, which is located on the front elevation. The first floor modules overhang the ground floor by 900mm. These are then faced with Accoya timber brise-soleil, which provides excellent solar shading for the open plan offices within the building. As this is a BREEAM Excellent building, it will be a key flagship for the Wernick Group and an ideal demonstration project for the Swiftplan modular system.